Bananas are a popular go-to snack. They're delicious, convenient and accessible, but have also been the subject of controversy from time to time. Are they worthy of praise for being a good source of potassium, or deserving of criticism for having too much sugar? Is it healthy to eat them daily? If so, how many? Here are some things you may experience if you eat bananas every day. Number 1. You may improve your heart health. Bananas are known for being a great source of potassium. One medium banana contains 9% of your daily recommended intake. Potassium is found in all body tissues and is essential for normal cell function. It is important for a healthy heart as well. The DASH diet, a protocol commonly recommended to people diagnosed with heart disease, recommends getting potassium from fruits and vegetables. Bananas are a great way to help you get enough potassium each day. Getting enough potassium in your diet may also help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of cardiovascular disease, so eating foods containing potassium daily is an important part of a healthy lifestyle. Number 2. You may reduce your risk for chronic disease. A lesser-known fact about bananas is that they contain phytosterols and carotenoids, both of which have antioxidant properties. Bananas have a higher antioxidant capacity than some berries, herbs and vegetables and, therefore, can aid in reducing the harmful effects of oxidative stress on the body. Number 3. You may increase your energy. Bananas are a good source of carbs, your body's main fuel for energy production. Bananas contain B vitamins such as vitamins B3, B6 and B12, which help your body synthesize energy. Bananas can be part of a healthy meal or snack and are best utilized when paired with healthy fats and/or protein. This is because carbohydrates digest more quickly than protein or fat, so pairing a banana with a healthy fat or protein, such as a handful of almonds or a cup of Greek yogurt, will help prolong the energy the banana provides. Number 4. You may maintain a healthy weight. When eaten as part of a balanced meal, bananas can help keep you satisfied longer. Feeling satisfied between meals reduces the likelihood that you'll have cravings and exceed your daily caloric needs, which over time can contribute to weight gain. While there is no evidence that bananas directly cause you to lose weight, they are a convenient and readily available food option that can be easily incorporated into a nutritious eating pattern to lose weight. In fact, increasing your fruit and vegetable intake is associated with greater weight loss success. With bananas being one of the top fruits eaten regularly in the US, it's no surprise that they can help you with your weight loss goals. Number 5. You may increase your fiber intake. Medium-sized bananas have about 3 grams of fiber each. Fiber is important for many reasons, including keeping bowel movements regular. Pectin, a specific type of fiber found in bananas, can help your body eliminate waste more effectively. As bananas ripen, they lose pectin content, so greener bananas are a better source. Bananas also contain a type of dietary fiber known as resistant starch, which helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. Resistant starch found in bananas helps feed the probiotic strains Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus specifically. These are important members of a healthy gut microbiome, and help the body produce compounds that can aid in preventing disease. How many bananas should you eat per day? Now that you know all the ways bananas can benefit you, how many should you eat? Well, there's no blanket rule. However, sticking to 1 to 2 bananas per day shouldn't cause issues for most people. They are relatively high in carbohydrates, so eating them along with protein or fat is also advisable to support stable energy levels. People with advanced kidney disease should limit bananas and other foods that are high in potassium to protect their kidneys and heart from damage. Eating too many bananas can cause excess potassium in the body, also called hyperkalemia. This can cause serious health problems, including heart issues. While most people wouldn't be able to stomach the number, a banana's necessary to cause this to happen. It's something to be mindful of. Bananas are best consumed the same as other healthy foods, in moderation and as part of a healthy, balanced meal or snack. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.